Hey guys, so I just want to do a quick unboxing of some products. From SHEIN, I'm gonna start off with my press-on nails. So I got this press-on nails from SHEIN. I'm gonna put a picture somewhere, but I got this press-on nails. One press-on nail. Number two, I didn't expect it to come like this, but this is the and then I got this. I'm gonna open it like for the code. I know I'm in Texas, it doesn't get that code. I don't know why I need this, but I'm traveling to Boston, so we are trying to be safe. But hold on now. Okay. Oh, I was about to say this thing is too big for my head. You're supposed to like keep your ears warm. You get it? Yeah. Also, like it shrinks. You can make it shorter and it floats like a ball. Like I said, I'll insert the pictures of them. And then I've got this really cute earrings. I'm gonna wear that tonight, so I don't know. Don't you like my bow? I'm getting my girly gears era. So I got these gloves for the cold. Again, Texas is not that cold, but you know what? I'm going to Boston, so I have to keep warm. This is how, you know, like, let me see if it fits all hand sizes. Fair for a girl. But if it's any other size like this, you can text it. So you can text with that. So that's a plus. But we're gonna take that right off. Okay. I think I have more. Okay, yeah. More items. This set of earrings. My favorite is this one. I bought this pack because of this one. I lost that pair and I was so I'm happy that I got that one. And I can give the rest of them to people who like this kind. I personally, when I wear it, I'm a little earring girly. Oh my god. Girl, the head is big. Well, because I have a bun, but it's not what I expected. It's not actually what I expected. Like, I'll put the picture and you'll see it. But maybe if I had my hair down, let me try that. Take this. This bow from SHEIN. Cutesy. One of the young girls in my church are like, you know you're supposed to iron your bow, right? I was like, iron a bow? I don't even like to iron outfits. I should go iron? Oh, no. Okay, she's not that bad. Okay, I thought it was shedding. She's not that bad, but I don't know if I would wear it. It looks funny. Because, let's see if I don't know how I feel about this. I don't like to wear my hair to the side. Okay. And the hair does, like, the hair part does shed. FYI. Oh. Okay, I got this pack of leggings. But I'll insert a picture as a pack. I got brown. Sorry, bring back ones for a second. That's scary. What is this? Oh, this is just a little sweatshirt, like a sweater I could just throw on. And go, yeah. Like with the leggings, just throw. That's why I got it. Because sometimes I don't like dresses, so I just throw on leggings and a big sweater. We're off for the day. And then this one is also a sweater. Oh, she cute, she cute, she cute. Not like too thick. Again, Texas is not that cold. So this sweater is haul, and that's all I wanted to show you. Bye.